Hey there, it's Grasshopper coming to you. This time we're looking at the Mage of the Ascension Tarot deck, the 4 of Dynamism, or as I like to call it, the 4 of Sharp Pointing Things. This is another intellectual-based card, and you can see that there's a guy laying on a bier, or maybe a woman even, laying on a bier, which is a small wall, with 4 swords over top of them. 3 that are pointing down towards the person and 1 that's pointing up and away. Now, this person is wrestling with a choice, wrestling with a decision, but they're spending their time in quiet repose, right? They're considering all of the options before them, wondering whether each one is a positive or a negative, and that's what the swords pointing up and down signifies, right? So 4s are a time of recommittal, almost like a beginning, but more like refocusing your energy on whatever the task is at hand. And so in this 4, it's time to take a moment, step back, and see what your way forward is. Examine the situation carefully, and only then, after you've done so, take a step forward and recommit to the activity that you're already engaged in. Or pursue a new activity. Whatever the intellectual decision is, that's the one that you should pursue after considering all of the consequences, right? And with the Mage of the Ascension, what you're going to come across is most of those choices are going to be bad in some way. There might only be one choice out of this entire set that you have that is a decent choice. And even then, it's not going to be all that fantastic. The Mage of the Ascension Tarot is just spun in such a way that most of the things that come out of it have some kind of downside to them. Whether it be it's just completely off the wall crazy to even consider, or it's genuinely going to hurt, is dependent on the card and the reading and so forth. But yeah, spend some time in quiet reflection, right? Consider all the options, examine each one carefully, and then move forward. And that's about it for this card. I'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you give a like down below? You can subscribe there on the left or hitting the subscribe button underneath. And if you want to get alerts, go ahead and click the little bell icon to make sure that you get notified whenever new videos are posted. And hey, thank you.